Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add checkbox in Google Sheets. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have a data. So in this data in status column I'm going to add the checkbox. To add checkbox you have to select the first range of column. So to select the range of column you can use the mouse, just drag and select your range of column. The second way, if you have a large data, you just select the connected column cell, first cell, and you can use the control down arrow. And here you can see the last cell is selected. Now use the right arrow to select the blank column cell and then use the shift control up arrow to select the entire column. Then remove the control key and use the down arrow to select from the first cell. Okay. So don't select the heading of the column, select the first cell. Therefore, I press here the down arrow. Okay. When you press the up arrow, see the selection, up arrow, down arrow. Okay. So here the select from the first cell. After that, go to the insert tab and click on the checkbox option. That's it. Here the checkbox is added. Now you can just tick on this checkbox and you can done this status for the cell entries. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.